Agile Principle 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress. A product is finished only when it is tested and accepted by the end user or the customer.
I think working software is the primary measure of progress. It's the only way to ensure that we're delivering value to our end users.
I see your point, but working software alone doesn't necessarily mean we're delivering value. We need to define what working means and focus on delivering solutions that solve problems for our end users.
But if the software works, doesn't that mean it's delivering value?
Not necessarily. The software could be working according to specifications, but it might not actually solve the problem for the end user. We need to focus on delivering value, not just working software.
But isn't that subjective? How do we define what value means for the end user?
It's true that it can be subjective, but we can define it by understanding the end user's needs and problems. We can also use metrics to measure the impact of the software on the end user's experience.
I agree that we need to focus on delivering value, but working software is still an important measure of progress. It shows that we're making tangible progress towards delivering a solution.
I agree that working software is important, but we need to be careful not to focus solely on it. We need to ensure that the software is solving the end user's problems and delivering value.
I think we're on the same page. Working software is important, but it's only valuable if it's solving the end user's problems. We need to focus on delivering value, not just working software.
Exactly. The fundamental measure of progress is delivering solutions that are developed based on the specifications defined by the customer, tested, and accepted by the end user.
Agile Principle 8. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. This would be possible by the steady development during the lifetime of the project.
Hey, have you heard about Agile processes and how they promote sustainable development?
Yes, I have. Agile development is all about maintaining a constant pace throughout the product development lifetime.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
Agile processes involve breaking down the product development process into smaller, manageable parts and delivering them in short iterations.
Why is that important?
By delivering working software in short iterations, the team can get feedback from the stakeholders and make necessary changes. This ensures that the project stays on track and meets the user's needs.
That makes sense. What are the benefits of Agile development?
Agile development promotes sustainable development by allowing the team to maintain a constant pace. It also improves the quality of the software and increases customer satisfaction.
That's impressive. Do you have any examples of companies that have successfully implemented Agile processes?
Sure. Companies like Spotify, Microsoft, and IBM have successfully implemented Agile processes and have seen significant improvements in their development process.
Wow, that's great to hear. I can see why Agile development is becoming so popular.
Yes, it's a proven methodology that helps teams deliver high-quality software while maintaining a steady pace.
Ninth principle. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility.
I've heard that paying attention to technical excellence and good design can enhance agility. Is that true?
Yes, it is. When we pay attention to the details and build things in a simple and communicable way, we enhance our team's agility.
Can you give me an example of what you mean by technical excellence and good design?
Sure. Technical excellence means paying attention to the details. We should aim for a simple design that is easy to maintain and easily understood. Good design is when we build things in a way that does not create a significant amount of rework. Good designs are repeatable in whole or in part and shareable due to their simplicity and communicable nature.
That makes sense. But how do we balance good design with the need to get things done quickly?
That's a great question. We should avoid big design up front, which is a software development approach in which the program's design is to be completed and perfected before that program's implementation is started. Instead, we should provide just enough design to start development on a product and allow the team to continue to emerge the design over time.
I see. So, what's the benefit of doing that?
The benefit is that we can be more agile and respond to changes more quickly. By building things in a simple and communicable way, we can enhance our team's agility and deliver value to our customers more quickly.
Thanks for explaining that. It makes a lot of sense.
You're welcome. Remember, paying attention to technical excellence and good design is essential to enhancing our team's agility and delivering value to our customers.